How to create Wix emails with Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Wix emails with Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix and Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create professional-looking websites without needing advanced technical skills or coding knowledge. And it also offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, enabling individuals and businesses to design and customize their sites with ease. And Wix provides a wide range of templates, tools, and features including e-commerce capabilities, SEO, and many more. So now after signing in on Wix, all you need to do from here is simply choose which kind of website you want to create an email with Canva. So I'm going to choose this one. So click the select site button, and upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed in your dashboard in here. And all you need to do is simply go to this marketing section on the left side panel and click this email marketing, so that we can now start creating an email in here. And as you can see, you have here an option to choose either to create an email from scratch or using template. And I'm going to choose to start email from scratch in here by clicking this button below. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page where you can start here creating an email. And since we're using Canva, there's no actually directly way to integrate Canva in this Wix. However, we can simply create an image on Canva for this email, for example, newsletter email. So just simply go to this Canva and simply go to the search bar in here and search for a specific template of newsletter. And upon searching on it, you'll be able to see a variety of options to choose from of template. However, in those options, I'm just going to select the free one in here. So all you need to do is simply select here or simply click on it and click customize this template button to proceed. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on the page of Canva in here where you can start customizing every element contains the context, layout, design, and many more of this template. But I'm just going to delete some other pages and leave this as one pages. And from here, we can simply enter this newsletter or simply customize some of the info or simply text. By highlighting this text, we can simply customize on it depending on our text that we prefer. And since we're creating here a newsletter, email, we can simply enter here a content about email news. And on the left side panel, you can navigate to add here different kind of elements with here box, graphic design, frames, photos, different kind of shapes, and many more. Or if you also wish to customize the background, you can simply click on the top panel after clicking the background, and it will show you in here on the left side panel some of the color palette that you prefer. You can simply click on it, and it will show you that the color of background has now been changed. So basically from here, we can start customizing the content of this template depending on our preferences using the editing tools on the left side panel and many more. And let's say we've now done creating a newsletter email picture that will be attached in our Wix emails in here. So just click the share button on the top right corner to save the changes and click the download button below here. And after that, just choose here the right file type. But before that, I'm just going to change here the title of this work and do the same process again of clicking the share button and download. You can choose here as a PDF standard, but I'm going to prefer to choose this PNG or JPG. Then click download button to proceed. And after that, you will now be able to see here that your work of the template is now being downloaded. And to attach this in our Wix, you simply go back to this Wix and simply change the image by clicking the change image button. But before that, I'm just going to simply input or enter here the title of our newsletter email. But you could also add more depending on your preferences. For example, I'm going to enter latest news you need to know as the header or subject of this email. Now I'm going to click this image and click change image to proceed and simply choose the file from my computer. You could also simply click this one and drag the image section or elements, and it will show you in here that you can simply upload from your computer files the file that we just download from Canva and customize. Or you could also navigate here to upload from your Facebook and many more. And after uploading, it will now show you in here that you can simply add this to your page by clicking on it and click add to page button. Now as you can see, it is currently being uploaded in here and it will show you the result of it. So this is basically what it looks like. And aside from the content of it, you could also try to add here a design or add more such as a themes, text, image button in here. Or alternatively, you could also start creating a button on Canva if you want to, where each button has corresponding link on it. For example, on this button, I'm just going to enter latest news today. But again, if you also wish to create the buttons using Canva, you can do so by simply going back in our Canva in here and simply search on the template or search bar in here, button. And upon searching on it, it will show you the result of the template that you can choose from as a button and start customizing it depending on your preferences. All you need to do is to simply click on it and just edit the same process that we did earlier. Now moving on in here, aside from that, you could also start adding a context and even a background color or background graphics that you prefer. You can even add text and even choose to change the location of which element it contains on this email. For example, I'm just going to add here more images, but at this point we can simply choose from here on our media from Wix that is also offered for free. All you need to do is simply go to the search bar and search, for example, logo. We're going to simply click this logo and click add the page in here. And upon clicking on it, you should be able to see here the logo that we just uploaded. However, I'm just going to simply delete this one, but that is just basically you can start uploading an images from Wix aside from Canva. And aside from this image, we could also upload a logo if you want to. Simply clicking the logo option here or element and simply drag it depending on your preferences or location. For example, on the top in here, you can simply click the change logo to start uploading a logo that we prefer. And again, you can use a media from Wix or simply choose from Canva the template that we prefer. But at this point, I'm just going to select this one once again and click add to page. Now it will show you the logo has now been applied in here. And now that we enter here or upload a logo, aside from that, we can simply upload also, or if you want to change the background color or style, you can simply click the background option on the left side panel in here. And after doing this, it will show you a variety of options to choose from. But if you also want to start customizing using Canva, you can do so by simply going to our Canva and search the background in here. Example, background. Then you should be able to see all of the result that is also applicable and can be uploaded as a background of our email newsletter in Wix. So all you need to do from here once again is to simply click on it and start customizing depending on your preferences, such as to customize the color, the layout, the style, to add more elements, and many more. And now going back in our page on Wix, if you're now done, just click the next button on the top right corner and start choosing the recipients or the people that will be able to receive this email that we just created. But overall, that is just basically how to create Wix emails with Canva. Thank you.